starting, right? Oh yeah, it's starting. Alright, bike check 2013. Hella tired. Probably like 10:30 right now. I got my homie Lulu right here. She's
Evil ass fucking dog.
She's tired though, look at her dog.
She evil.
But yeah, but that's not the point right now, there's a point. Alright, let's start off from the bars, I guess. We got ODIs. They're teal, I think. Tealish, pretty worn down. I need to get some new ones soon. Get ODIs, I recommend them. They're hella good. Rode them all my life. But I want some fit ones now, but oh well. And then we got the S&M XLT bars, black. I don't know what the rise or anything, dimensions or anything. And then we got the S&M top load stem. Freaking amazing stem. And then going down, we have Odyssey Dirt Forks, I think, or Odyssey Race Class, I don't even know.
I think
It's
they're
Odyssey,
race classics.
And then we got the Primo headset. And we got a spacer on there. Pretty nice. It's hella smooth, not gonna lie. And then we have the Colt V2. Yep, Colt V2 Death Row. It's a very nice frame. I like everything about it. It's pretty dope. Yeah. And then over here we got Profile. I don't even know what kind of cranks. I know they're Profile though, as you can see, Profile. But I don't know which ones they are. But they're really good cranks. And then you got your shadow bottom bracket, as you can see. Then you got your Ecolap pedals. I don't really like them. They don't grip too good, as my old ones did. And then we got this Mac nail seat, pretty ripped up. It's alright, I guess. Yeah, it's pretty soft. It's fluffy like Lulu right here. And then I'll switch it around soon. And then we got Odyssey back tire. Back tire. It's Aiken P-Light, I think. The PSI is probably 90 to 120 around there. Then we got the Primo Remix Pro Hub. Back hub, hella loud. I love it. And then I'm pretty sure it's laced to a Primo Remix hub. I don't even know if that's, what's this, rim. I don't even know what kind of rim it is though, but it's nice. And then, yeah, I ride my tires, hella high PSI. Forgot about the freaking front rim also. We got FAF, Shadow Raptor whole front rim. And then, if you switch it around, you got your United Sprocket, and then you got your Shadow Chain V2, and then yeah, and then we can't really do some clips right now because it's fucking early in the morning and we're nowhere to ride. But yeah, and then that's my bike.